Here is our question. In question you see the two curves and we have to find the area of enclosed area. First curve is 6y square minus 2 and the second is x equal to 2y square. Let us draw the figure for these two curves. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This curve passes through the origin, so this will be like this, and the second you see this passes minus 2, 0. So this curve is like I draw, and you see the enclosed area is this part and this part. Due to symmetry these two parts are equal, so we can find this whole area by getting this area into 2. So the required area will be 2 into dx dy. Now let us get the y coordinate of point of intersection, this point. For this we equate these two because both are x, so 2y square equals to 6y square minus 2. This gives us y equals to 1 by root 2. Here you see that for this part y is from 0 to this 0 to 1 by root 2, and we have to put for x. You see that here you see x, this is x, this also is x, both are x, but there will be between these two, one will be lower point, lower limit, and the other will be upper limit. You see that this part is at lower, this part is below, so curve of equation of this curve is this 6y square minus 2, and the upper curve is this, so upper limit will be 2y square. Now integrating with respect to x first, this gives us 1 by root 2, integration of dx is x, and putting the limits will give us 2 minus 4y square. We have integrated with respect to x, so it remains dy. Now integrating with respect to y give us 2y minus 4y cube by 3 from 0 to 1 by root 2, and this thing will be 2. Putting the upper limit first, this will be 2 by root 2 minus, and this will be 2 root 2 into 3. Thereafter we put 0, putting 0 this thing will be 0, so minus 0, and calculating this we have 2 cancelled, here will be 2, sorry 3, here will be 3, here will be 2. This thing will be 4 by 2 root 2 by 2 minus 2 root 2 by 2 into 3, and from here you get 2 root 2 by 3, that becomes 4 root 2 by 3, and 4 root 2 by 3 in options you see it is in C, so C is the right option.